Hi, I'm Paul Brown. I run 123 Drone business in the UK, and I also create content for anybody else that's looking to do the same. So I've been running a drone business about 6 years, started part-time, running it alongside my day job or daytime job, which I don't do anymore, as this is my full-time job. The types of jobs that we do for clients are construction progress monitoring. So this is where we visit a project or construction site on a regular basis, usually monthly or bi-monthly for a client, and we collate visual data and put that into a report. FPV drone tours. These are great to showcase property, commercial premises, construction sites, hard to get to places. The FPV tour really gives you a different or more immersive feel. Aerial photography and video. This service covers a wide variety of industries, and we cover everything from property to commercial premises, festivals, stock content and much more. Property, so that's real estate, estate agency. So most of our property work is done with developer clients and estate agents, and this will usually entail aerial photography and video, sometimes internal photography, virtual tours very occasionally, although more likely that clients now want an FPV drone tour of property rather than a virtual tour. We cover various events. This includes music events such as the Margate Soul Festival, and sporting events. And content creation, so stock footage for clients that want content for their websites or marketing, etc. So at this stage I realised I'd left out inspections. We also carry out inspections for clients, mostly roof inspections and some building inspections. So when I first set out setting up my drone, running a drone business, or doing jobs for clients, if you like, probably 6 years ago, there weren't as many drone pilots around. There certainly wasn't any tutorials on how to set the drone business up. There's lots of tutorials on how to set your drone up or reviews on drones or equipment. But certainly when I was setting up 6 years ago, I would have loved to have had someone that's maybe got a successful business that was showing me the software to use, which drones to use, the mistakes not to make. I've made plenty of those over the years. So hopefully by putting together some content tutorials for anyone that's looking to do the same as me, you'll be able to get there a lot quicker than I did. So this was the first video that I've created, just really as an introduction to me, what I'm looking to do. Hopefully if I can help you, if you're looking to turn your hobby into a serious business, then please stay tuned and hit like and subscribe, and I'll be aiming to create a video on a regular basis, ideally once every week to 10 days.